But guys, before we start this video is sponsored by thien mugs. Guys, these thien mugs are $25. They are really good. You can eat your curry in them. Yeah guys, today we will be doing reacting to like some funny fails. Yeah guys, don't forget to buy your thien mug. The link will be down in the description. They are the best. Let's go. Oh. Buy your thien mugs. Oh shit.
A little too far. Hey, pull my back. Stop.
Oh no.
Stop. Let go.
That's why you need thien mugs in your life.
Oh.
What's this? Oh no.
Good job, lad.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Josh and Lori today.
I wonder if she knows what she's getting
Mike.
Guys, let's end the pause for a second, guys. You guys, comment down below if you're gonna buy yourself a thien mug. Or comment down below and subscribe, and you can enter a giveaway for a thien mug. I do have some.
Ask yourself, what am I getting into today?
Are you going down there?
Damn.
Go. Scared, just go. Take off all your clothes.
Yeah, baby.
That's a funny one.
Go.
Go, ninja, go! Now once you get to the...
Here we go.
Oh, what the fuck?
Go.
Okay.
Hold on, let me lay it back for you. Dude, your butt's not fit through there.
Yeah, we'll watch this.
Watch this.
He's stuck.
What are you doing?
So guys, I think I'm gonna end that video there. I am 400% of this video in 2 minutes. I will be doing a Roblox video, and yeah, guys, make sure you buy your thien mugs. They are
There's no
good.
thien mugs.
They are really good. Let me tell you. For only a whopping $20, they are cheap and they are big. let's say thien, it's a good. Okay, guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and we will see you guys next time. Goodbye.